Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Solicious Cuisine. On today's video I'll be showing you how I make the spicy gizzard. This can be done within 30 minutes and it can be paired with rice, yam, fried plantain, potatoes, anything of your choice. To the ingredients, I have some tomatoes and different peppers. I have pepperoni, I have this long pepper, and I also have some onions. So all these I will roughly blend later on behind the camera. As you can see, I only have one habanero pepper. That's because I don't want it to be too spicy. Next, I have some chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, some salt and seasoning cube, and also some chopped bell peppers and spring onion, and of course gizzard. Next, I will put the gizzard in a pot. I will add some of the chopped onions, some salt, seasoning cube, and some white pepper, and then some of the ginger and garlic paste. Cover and let this simmer for like 5 minutes without water. After 5 minutes, I will then add some water to the gizzard and then cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, at this point, you can see the gizzard is now soft and tender. I don't like it too soft, but you can cook it for more than 10 minutes if you like yours very soft. Next, in a hot pan, I'll add some vegetable oil, after which I will add the onions to it. Give it a proper stir, or rather saute it for 2 minutes, and then add the pepper and tomato mixture into it. Give it a proper stir and let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, basically until the water dries up. At this point, you can see that the water has dried up. So next, I'm just going to stir, after which I'm going to add the rest of the ginger and garlic paste, add some salt, some seasoning, give it a proper stir, after which I will add the gizzard to it, mix everything together until well combined, and then cover and let it simmer together for about 4 to 5 minutes. If this is your first time here today, I want to say a big welcome. And if you've been watching till this moment and you still haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so and click on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. After letting it simmer for about 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. And now I'm just going to stir and then add the chopped bell peppers and spring onions to it. Give this a proper mix together until everything is well combined, and then cover and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment below if you tried this recipe. At this point, guys, this is ready and you can pair it with whatever thing of your choice, yam, plantain, rice, whatever. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other. God bless you. Bye.